Hey friends, if you wish to delete a volume or drive partition in Windows, then please watch this video. I will stick to two methods only. One is through settings and the second one is through disk part. So the settings method is as follows. Right click on the start button and then select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select storage and then click on advanced storage settings. Scroll down and select disks and volumes and wait for it to load. Now let's say I needed to delete the E drive. So I'll click on properties for E drive and I'll check all the properties here. Does it have that space to be deleted? And I will be presented with two options. One is to format it and one is to delete it. Formatting means deleting all the data inside that drive, and deleting it means deleting the drive and leaving that space as unallocated. So I'll click on delete and then on delete volume, but I won't click on it right now because I need to show the second method. So press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command disk mgmt.msc and hit enter. This will open the disk management window. Now let's say that this is the new volume E drive with 9.77 GB of data. To delete it, I'll simply right click on it and then I'll select delete volume and yes. And as you can see, this space is unallocated. I can add it to some other drive or create drives out of this. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.